Ever wondered how some property developers turn small plots into massive profits? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain to reveal the top 5 secrets that most successful developers use to maximize returns. Stay tuned to transform how you approach your next project. Hello, aspiring developers and real estate enthusiasts. I'm Peter Kelly, and I've spent years uncovering the strategies that make or break property development projects. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the bell icon on, so you don't miss any of our weekly insights that could skyrocket your real estate ventures. Secret number 1, market research mastery. The top developers don't just understand their market, they predict it. Dive deep into demographic data, zoning laws, and future area developments. This isn't just about knowing what's needed, but knowing when it will be needed. A tool like Landchecker can give you a real edge. Moving on to secret 2, creative financing. Think outside the traditional lending box. Explore partnerships, joint ventures, and even crowdfunding. Each project has a unique financial footprint, and understanding how to tailor your funding approach can mean the difference between a good investment and a great one. Third secret, eco-friendly innovations. Sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's increasingly becoming a selling point. Developments with green technologies and higher achieving Green Star certifications can command higher prices and attract forward-thinking buyers. Secret 4, embrace technology. From 3D architectural visualizations to advanced project management software technology that can streamline your entire development process, reduce errors, and save money. For instance, using Monday.com as the foundation from which we manage our project has cut our project timelines by 30%. And finally, secret number 5, community engagement. The best developers know that development isn't just about buildings, it's about people. Engage with community early in your project through public consultations and social media to build goodwill and mitigate any potential opposition. These 5 secrets have powered some of the most lucrative developments across Melbourne, and they can do the same for you. If you're ready to start your journey into profitable property development, drop a comment below which secret was most surprising to you, or share a challenge that you're facing in your projects. If you want to learn more, don't miss this. Unlock your $20,000 Townhouse Masterclass for free by joining the Little Fish Network. Hit the link pinned in the comments. It takes 2 seconds and you can thank me later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insider tips every week. Check out our playlist right here for more deep dives into each of these secrets. Thank you for watching, and remember, in the world of property development, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Happy developing.